Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Welcome to our explanation on the differences between local area networks, or LANs, and wide area networks, known as WANs. As network professionals, it's important to understand these distinctions to design and manage networks effectively. Let's start with local area networks. A LAN is a network that covers a limited geographical area, typically confined to a single location, like an office building or a university campus. These networks are usually owned and managed by a single organization or individual, giving them full control over the infrastructure. LANs generally employ technologies like Ethernet or Wi-Fi for connectivity. Due to the proximity of devices within a LAN, they often provide faster data transfer rates compared to their wide area counterparts. Now, let's turn our attention to wide area networks. WANs, as the name suggests, encompass much larger geographical areas. They can span across cities, countries, or even globally, with the Internet being the most prominent example of a WAN. Unlike LANs, WANs are rarely owned by a single entity. They often involve leased lines or telecommunication services from multiple providers. This distributed ownership model allows for greater reach, but can also introduce complexity in management and troubleshooting. WANs utilize a variety of networking technologies to achieve long-distance connectivity. These may include MPLS, leased lines, and even satellite connections. However, due to the longer distances data must travel, WANs generally experience higher latency and lower bandwidth compared to LANs. The primary purpose of a WAN is to link multiple LANs or devices spread across vast distances, serving a broader user base. This makes WANs crucial for organizations with multiple locations or for connecting remote workers to central resources. In essence, the key differences between LANs and WANs lie in their geographical coverage and performance characteristics. LANs excel in providing high-speed localized connectivity, while WANs facilitate communication over much larger areas, albeit potentially at slower speeds. Understanding these distinctions is vital for network design and troubleshooting. It helps in choosing the right technologies, planning for performance expectations, and addressing the unique challenges each type of network presents. As we continue to see the evolution of network technologies, the lines between LANs and WANs are becoming increasingly blurred. We see some protocols that we use on LANs, such as Ethernet, also on WAN nowadays. Also, because of overlay networks, we create large virtual networks that can span LANs and WANs. However, the fundamental principles we've discussed today remain important for any network professional. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.